Right, just fixing this in the van. It's off the back of the dash. So I think the first thing we'll do, I'm just going to drill that through there. I'll put the hole straight through now. See what we've got over here. Ah, there we go. I was thinking about doing is sticking that in there somehow. Going straight through, pulling that screw in at the same time. Pulling a bit too far. Pull him out a bit. Check that. Now my plan was get a bit of shrink wrap and put around that. And we'll give that a go. Right, let's get some shrink wrap. Right, got that bit of shrink wrap on there. Let's just see if I can shrink it now. Right. A little bit more heat. I don't know how long that'll last, but I'll give it a go and see if that works. Right, we'll go and see if we can get that put in then. Before I put that in, I've decided I'm going to put a bit of super glue around the bottom of this. And I'll stick it together a bit. See if that holds it. Right, let that dry and we'll get it back in the van. That's what it looks like when it's all done. I put 3 layers of shrink wrap on there, and in between each layer I just put glue around there and then put another layer on, and that's finished it. Looks really solid now. Right, just seeing if this screws back in now. Hopefully. Unfortunately I didn't have a normal screw, so I had to use this Allen head. So oop. Right, that's all back in, nice and solid now. It's probably better it's been for a long time. Right, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.